Here are 10 Hindi words that are commonly used in English, often without us realizing their origins. Number 1. Karma. This term, often associated with the concept of cause and effect, comes from the Sanskrit word karma, meaning action. Number 2. Yoga. This practice of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being originates from the Sanskrit word yoga, meaning union. Number 3. Guru. A teacher or spiritual guide. The word guru comes from the Sanskrit guru, meaning heavy or venerable. Number 4. Jungle. While often associated with dense forests, the word jungle actually comes from the Hindi jangal, meaning uninhabited land. Number 5. Loot. The act of stealing or plundering is derived from the Hindi loot, meaning plunder. Number 6. Pundit. A learned or wise person. Pundit comes from the Sanskrit pandita, meaning learned. Number 7. Bandobast. Meaning arrangement or preparation. This word is derived from the Hindi bandobast, meaning arrangement. Number 8. Thug. A criminal or ruffian. The word thug originates from the Hindi thug, meaning robber. Number 9. Is coolie. This term for a laborer or porter comes from the Hindi coolie, meaning laborer. And number 10 is bungalow, a type of single-story house. These words have been borrowed from Hindi and are now part of English vocabulary. Thank you for watching.